All liquefaction. Fucking hell. All over again, eh?
My phone's split, so I can't even film it.
Oh, really? I'll send you this one. I was standing on the fucking steel rack.
That's all right through. Fuck.